Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall skilla! Wagwan, Dancehall skilla there again with some more things to talk to you about. Big up and respect to each and every one. I hope that everyone is okay and alright. Is it? Yes, manners and respect. I want to say big up and respect to each and every good employees and employers worldwide. Yes, big up on yourself. So I say, and I want to say this to each and every one. Please share this video because this video just might bring some form of awareness. Alright, now first things first. I am going to present to you a piece of an entire video that have been posted on social media. Now, according to some things that I saw and heard in the entire video, I got the understanding that a person lost his job, and I also got the understanding that the entire video had been recorded at the place where the person worked. Now, in parts of this video, you can hear the person yelling and shouting, viewers and subscribers. So in my point of view, it seems as if the person was angry on the day when the entire video had been recorded. Viewers and subscribers, if you look and listen carefully to this piece of video that I'm about to present to you, you might get an understanding as to why the person lost his job. And based on some things that you're about to see and hear in this piece of video that I'm about to present to you, I would like you to tell me if you think it was unfair the way how the person lost his job. Viewers and subscribers, I want you to also please bear in mind that in this video, you can hear harsh language. So before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Look, listen, observe. Tell me what you think, my people. Observe.
So you gonna tell me like you just go like I was here like serving the guests. Alright, you're the boss, right? For an inclusive resort. And I be here working, and you're telling me that that's what you're gonna do? So you're gonna come and tell me that I'm here to alright. Me go tell social media all of these people doing something right now. Alright, ladies.
Listen.
Alright, so that's the boss for the resort. You know, I was just over here talking to you ladies and just offering you a service. You know what he's trying to do right now? Trying to tell me I need to get off the property and go home. What did I do? I was just here like serving you as if, right? And asking you a few questions. I was just right here. You were telling me like get off the property and go home. What did I do? Man, this is my job, bro, and I put it on social media, bro. You always try to do people that, bro. People work and people need money, bro. You don't come like that just because you're boss. He's a racist guy. Why you? Alright, yo, bro. I even try to. No, don't tell me that, bro. I even try to talk to you, bro. I even try to talk to the guy. I even try to talk to him. I said, don't talk to me.
You've been working here the whole
No,
time.
I've been working here. Alright, I just came over here to get like few glasses, right? And I put it on social media.
Wow.
Yo, you man come here and say, yo, you just come right here and say, you just pull up, right? You just pull up. He just pull up.
See?
That's them cheap, brother. The white guys. That's what he do. Most people work here. You just come in. Leave my property. Go home. You don't belong here. You do better. Then cheap people work here, bro. Nothing, bro. You just come here. You stand here like you standing over here talking to the lady. I just come to get like 2 dirty glasses, bro. Yo.
Wow.
Now, bad man, you don't tell the work. Hey, I want to tell you, I ain't got to pay me my money today. Get my money today. Yeah, but until you, and I ain't taking my info on social media. I can't call it every cops here. Yo, girls, was I flirting we are doing nothing a while ago? I just came to get like 2 dirty glasses and asked me a question. I'm like, where you from? They say, yeah, that's it. I'll give them done. I went back there. You be like, get down here, leave here. That's what I always do. Yo, I let the girl give her some stuff for her back, bro. No, we don't work like that, brother. Because this work from a Jamaica, I think they have money they can but fuck your mother, brother. Oh, I'm here, brother. You gotta pay me my money today. Here, brother, today. There's a madness, yo. Brother, just leave me alone, brother. I can get my money today on social media. This shall go today, brother. Every time them come make piece of money better than can people, brother. I'm here, brother. Today. Get my money today, brother. Yo, bro, you know I'll be up here, man. Like the guy who owned the resort, he's a white guy. Racist. I'll be out here talking to like the 2 girls, bro. The guy he come over here. Leave my property, get off. Don't talk to me. I'm a black man, brother. That's where I come from, brother. You can't tell me nothing else, brother. I never know that's something mad, brother. Yo, I'ma put it on social media, dog. Oh, yo, the guy just come up here, bro. I was talking to 2 girls. The guy just come up behind me, bro. Taking a video. You get the guy, get off the property, get off my property like I give up. There's no way to handle nothing. That's on cheap people, brother. That's on cheap people, brother. That's on cheap people, brother. There's no way to handle nothing, brother. That's on cheap people. I'm not allowed to get my money to the brother. I tell the brother. It's a madness, brother. Tell me, I tell the brother. It's a madness. You know what I tell you?
John, my people, it rough out there, you know. It rough out there, I tell you, it rough out there, you know. I only hope so that that man did not put himself in any form of trouble in viewers and subscribers. Yeah, man, because that is only piece of the entire video that I presented to you, my viewers and subscribers. You see me? In another part of the entire video, the man used a lot of harsh language, and in my point of view, it seems as if he was really angry, upset. You see me? I say, yeah, man, I don't know exactly where and when the video be recorded, and it seems as if the video be recorded at some form of hotel or tourist resort. Some persons might say tourist resort. You see me? I say, yeah, man, I tell my people. Some things I'm seeing here in the entire video remind me of some of my past experiences. Some things I'm see happen to some persons out there, and some things I'm see happen. You see what I say? I tell you, some things I'm just see happen. But listen what I say, my people. See? Listen to this. See? You're supposed to get certain benefits when you work certain amount of years for certain companies. Yeah, man, you're supposed to get certain benefits when you work a certain amount of years for certain places or certain companies, viewers and subscribers. I understand. And you ever wonder why you have some bosses out there who do not keep workers for too long? You ever wonder? Eh? Think about it, my people. Just think about it. Yeah, man. But anyways, my people, so based on some things that you saw and heard in the entire video, viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think. See, on a real, it really sad to know that someone lose his job in a time like this where price keep on a raise for food and other things out there. You understand me? Things just get tougher and tougher. Can't feel good to know that somebody lose his or her job. You know, that's what I say. See, but Jano, it's just, I tell you, it's just the way the thing set. It just set away, my people. Just hope say everything alright. You see me? I don't even know if the person get back his job. I don't know if the person get back his job. I don't know what happened after the video stopped recording. You see me? I said, I don't know. You understand? Now, I'm going to present a video to you that will be recorded within the country that is known as Jamaica. I do not know when the video will be recorded. According to information that I got about the video, and according to some things that I saw and heard in the video, I got the understanding that the video shows some things that happened when police officers from within the country of Jamaica used force to remove persons from a community that is located somewhere within the country that is known as Jamaica. Allegedly, it is said that those persons was hanging out or squatting within the community, and the police within the country of Jamaica used the force to remove those persons from the community. Allegedly, it is said that those persons who the police used the force to remove from the community are gays. Viewers and subscribers, I would like you to take a look at this video and tell me what you think, viewers and subscribers. One of the reasons why I am presenting this video to you is because the video is being talked about on social media. However, I want you to please bear in mind that in this video, you can hear harsh language, and a part of this video shows when a police officer sprayed pepper spray in the direction of a person. So before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Take a look, listen, observe, and tell me what you think. Yeah, this is the video I'm talking about now, people. You see those persons. Just look. Yeah, the things where the police officer said. See, yeah, man. You know, but it could be like me see that video here before, no, viewers and subscribers. I'm not sure, but it seems as if I've seen this video sometime before. Yes, what I say? Yeah. Seems so to me. Yeah. Well, my people, just have a feeling that I see that video before. No? Yeah, the video looks somewhat familiar to me, but it's just that I just can't quite recall when or where exactly on social media. I see that video before. But anyways, you know, based on some information that I got about the video and based on some things that I saw and heard in the video, it seems as if those persons was within a residential area within the country of Jamaica doing certain things, and somehow the police within the country of Jamaica found out and made them leave that area. You see it? Yeah, it seems so to me. I don't know if a resident or residents call the police or what, I don't know, but somehow the police within the country of Jamaica found out that they're within a certain area within the country of Jamaica and made them leave that area. You see me? Yeah, man, you have certain residents within certain residential areas who will not allow certain things to happen within their communities and don't call the police and let them know what's going on, you know. No, you have some people protect their communities and they will call the police to protect their communities. You see me I say? Yeah, man, you have people still like that, very subscribers, and not real. I can't say nothing bad about a person trying to protect his or her community, because the world I move away right about now where certain things are happening like crime and violence and so forth. You see? Yeah, man, but you know, I don't have much information about that video, so you know, I'm gonna leave it right there. So I can't help but wonder if I've seen that video before, viewers and subscribers. I don't exactly sure, but it's just that the video just looks somehow familiar. But anyways, I saw me I left it, you know. Big up and respect each and everyone. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall, skilla, and big up on yourself. You see it.